Welcome to Kwikset Ara Smart Lock Unboxing. Quick Start Guide. Exterior keypad. Adapter ring. Deadbolt interior. Interior cover. Interior assembly. Battery pack. Mounting plate. Note that the mounting plate is assembled to the back of the interior assembly. Latch with rectangular faceplate. 2 standard Kwikset keyway backup keys. Round corner strike. SMARTKEY rekey instructions. SMARTKEY learn tool. Screws required for installation. Batteries are included. Installation and user guide in both English and Spanish. Drilling template. Regulatory compliance flyer. And that's all. It's time to unbox your Kwikset Ara Smart Lock.